Hello everyone, in this particular video, I am going to be telling you about the internet working technologies or the networking of the computers. So, we're going to talk about the internet working technologies, where the table of contents are first overview of Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer is an tool in which where we perform all our networking activities through different types of devices. And I'm going to go through iOS modes and the six iOS modes in the configuration of router, commands of the modes, how what are the commands of these modes, and configuration of router in Cisco Packet Tracer, and implementation of iOS modes on the router in Cisco Packet Tracer. In this video, I'm going to be covering all of these. So the next one, first one is iOS mode. We have three different types of iOS modes: user execution mode, privileged execution mode, and global configuration mode. And the six iOS modes are here. You can see in the tabular form. See, first is user mode, privilege mode, configuration mode, interface level, in which we have added an interface, and the routing engine level, in which we have added an engine of the router, and in this line level within configuration mode. It is the level of the line. It defines the line level of the line in which the basic commands are to be performed. And here are the commands of these types of modes. These are the commands to enter in these modes. If you want to enter in the user mode, then you need to enter the command enable. If you want to enter in privileged execution mode, you want to enter the command configure terminal. And if you want to enter in configuration mode, you need to enter the first interface, and then you will be in interface level. And then you need to go out of interface level, then you can go inside of routing engine level. And again, when you are on routing engine level, you need to go outside of routing engine level to come into line level. I'll implement all of these and show you easily. So this is where I'm going to tell you this is the Cisco packet tracer. Let me give you the overview of this. So this is the file. So this is Cisco packet tracer, in which we perform all our daily networking activities through multiple devices. This is file, this is edit, and these are so many options over here. You can have a look. You can go through this video and have a look. Say the if you want to print the topology, you can print it as well. We have the timer we need to connect, and all everything is here. You can first go through it. You will be able to understand. And here are the main devices. These are the networking devices. First, if we click this one, these are networking devices in which we have end-to-end devices. These are PC, laptop, server, and all. And in here we have components, different types of components. We have switches, connections, crossover cable, straight through cable. We have different types of cables to connect the different devices. And here we have the miscellaneous, the important devices. Here we have the cloud and routers. Here are the switches. These we have different types of switches. Some switches consist of six ports, some switches consist of 12 ports, some switches consist of 24 ports, and even 28 ports. If we want to connect more devices, more number of devices, then we use more number of port switch. These are the wireless devices. These are the hub. Hub is also a switch, but it's a dull device. It's not intelligent as switch. So in this, I'm going to be telling you about the router configuration. So in this video, I'm going to use the basic router to explain the configuration. So this is the router. If you want to go into the configuration, then we need to click it and enter the CLI command. It's asking us, would you like to enter have initial configuration? We don't have to right? Initial configuration, we have to do it by itself. So we should enter no. Then we are. So first we are in the user mode. First we need to, these are the modes. We are in user mode. If you want to go in configuration mode, then we need to type configure terminal. Configure terminal. See, oh my god, what happened? Oh, I haven't. Oh, my, oh, sorry. We are in user mode. If you want to go, we need to enable it. Then we need to go in configuration mode. First, we need to enable the router. Then we can go into configuration mode. First, we need to enable. We have got. We are enabled. We are logged in. It's just a login type. We are logged in. Then we can perform all the basic functions. Configure terminal. Configure terminal. So there I. We are in. We are in here in the configuration mode. In configuration mode, if you want to go, if you want to add an interface, if you want to go into an interface level, we need to type the interface or the number. An interface is the thing which connects the two devices with an with a cable, with a cable. So if you want to connect an interface with different ports, interface is the thing which connects two devices with cable with different ports. So this is the interface name I am using. We can use any of the interface. So we are in the interface level. So if we want to go in routing engine level, now we have done till in here. If you want to go in routing engine level, we need to exit out of the interface level and we need to be in configuration mode. We need to get out of interface level and we need to be in configuration mode. So IF means we are in here. IF means we are in interface level. We need to go out of it and we need to be in configuration mode. So to go out, we need to type exit. We are here in configuration mode. So when in configuration mode, routing engine level. To enter into routing engine level, you need to type, to enter into routing engine level, the command is router rip, RIP. Router rip. So here we are in the routing engine level, and when we need to go in line level, we need to get out of it, routing engine level, and we need to be in configuration mode. We are out of the routing engine level and we are in configuration mode. So we need to enter into line level, and the command for it is line VTY04. VTY04 is a type of line. So here this is the command for entering into the line level. So VTY04 is a type of line. We have different types of line. VTY05. We have so many of it. So we are in the line level, and if we need to get out of it, we need to type an exit. Then we are outside of the line level. We are outside of the configuration mode. We are in configuration mode. We need to get out of configuration mode. Again exit. Then we are in inside the enable mode. Again we need to exit. Then we are logged out of the user modes, all of the 6 modes.